After my relaxing bath in the bathtub and soundful sleep on the bed of Golden Peak Resort, my friends woke up to spend some time in the pool to get Instagram hyped photos. And I went to explore the beach in the hotel's area. The experience at the beach was surreal as I saw mist in the vicinity of the seawater around the peaks. We had a 3-course breakfast with wide variety of options, and in the menu there were some Vietnamese delicacies as well. It is good treat for vegetarians and even more for non-vegetarians.
मैं 2 मिनट लगे था फटाफट करके।
वो कौन है बस ऊपर में?
गुस्से से देख रहा है।
After a stomach-filling delicious breakfast, we took a shuttle provided by the hotel to reach Nha Trang City.
ये देख लेफ्ट में माउंटेन में
हॉटस्पॉट देखा क्या वाटर से बहुत देख खुला
grab taxi to reach to Nha Trang Port. We got a good offer from grab taxi.
कौन सा कार आ रहा है? आ गया बाबा.
इसमें जाते हैं.
ये वो महंगा है बाबा. अच्छा किया तू देख लिया.
The grab taxi driver dropped us at Merl Pearl Booking Center, which belongs to a group of hotels. We learned that their price was more through the internet and walked down to Nha Trang Port. We chose Hon Tam and Hon Mieu based on our vague research previous night.
बहुत क्या है इसमें लाइफ जैकेट है क्या? Where did you stay?
Hi now.
The boat driver took us to Hon Mieu as it is nearer to Nha Trang Port, and we chose to go to Hon Tam first as it is far.
क्या बोला? बहुत दोनों के लिए दिया है करके बोला उसको. होटल में क्या? होटल बड़ा है ना? आइलैंड में खाने पीने मिलेगा क्या?
And planned that on our return we would visit Hon Mieu.
Havelock जैसे वो लोग 5,560 इधर बैग का कुछ पूछ पा. ओए ये वो भी थोड़ा बाद में थोड़ा लोशन दे. सी डे टूर. अभी सी डे टूर में क्या क्या करते चल. अभी 1 घंटा में क्या करेंगे?
सारे लोग फ्लैश मॉब भी है, डांस पार्टी भी है, किसको चाहिए सब. अभी इतने सारे लोग हैं.
थोड़ा रिसर्च करना था मैं वो प्लानिंग करने के बाद बोर हो गया और कितना
थक गए थे हम लोग, क्या कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक सो द बीच और समथिंग नाइस वन.
तुझे वो करना है क्या उधर?
उड़ाते हैं.
ये दोपहर के उतना गर्मी में.
After reaching Hon Tam Island, we learned that the place is used by Merl Pearl Resorts and Hotels to build their 4-star hotel.
इधर आने के बाद वापस ऐसे ही जा नहीं सकते. वो बीच ही हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते थे हमारे घर के पास.
क्या हुआ ऐसा मार दिया.
नहीं बा ऐसे तोड़ेंगे तो मारेंगे. क्या? चल. I don't even feel like taking photos. No, okay, prohibited.
Now we knew why the grab taxi driver dropped us at Merl Pearl Booking Center when we told him that we had to go to Hon Tam Island. We didn't like the island one bit as we were not in the mood to try games. And to summarize, we were looking for natural adventure and spend quiet time in the island.
वो टेक्निक यूज करते हैं. गेट आउट ऐसा बोल के पूरा जूम
बढ़ने भी लगे
Hon Tam Island was a disaster. The best part is this water. अभी हम क्या करते हैं? क्या करें?
घंटा वेस्ट है
2000 down.
As soon as we reached Hon Mieu Island, we found out that it is no different from Hon Tam. There are similar islands in the surroundings, thus it would be better to go to those only after proper research. We travel in soulful way with our backpacks and try our best to avoid commercial and artificial places of travel.
कल हम जितना लग्जरी में स्टे किए उतना आज
गांड फाड़ोगे.
As we were late than the lunchtime, we had to settle something in the surroundings which provided healthy and non-meat food.
कैसे बाबा पॉपकॉर्न
हेल्दी है प्लीज और ये लिखे थे ऑनलाइन ना they had written this in the online form. वो सब किया कहीं ले
स्कूल का टाइम मेरी जा रही है
मुझे भी हो गया
मेरी जा रही है मस्त बाबा मस्त मस्त अच्छा बस देखना
Our lunch was above average, and with full stomach, we headed out to Nhu Tien Beach by grab taxi.
You would commit where you go?
Magnolia hotel camp
Come back.
yeah oh okay is it
ये रेसोर्ट है.
yeah bro beach
We learned that Nhu Tien Beach is famous for separation of land with water on either sides, forming a tiny walkable island. It was evening and we still didn't find the inner peace yet in Nha Trang. Once at the beach, we went in search of land separation, which was a small hike, and found only rocks and seawater as dead end. I believe the separation could be seen during low tide. We came back and sat down near the shore to find some peace which was lacking since our boat ride to the islands. The beach is a normal one, but waves do give you the required peace, and special cloud patterns added to the glory.
नहीं है बोलते उतना पैसा नहीं बा वो होटल दूर होगा वो जगह नहीं होगा एंजो तू मेल कटर लेके आया क्या तू लाया था
Our Grab taxi driver was waiting as it would be a long drive to the city for him without us.
थर्ड की फोर इसका नहीं लेगा पॉपुलर
ये पॉप का होटल है
यूट्यूब का फीड मिल रहा है बस तो गया तो पूरा एडिट करते करते 2 साल हो जाएंगे
मेरा अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट जैसा हो गया ये
हाँ बा
और कुछ नहीं साला
है ना साला चिप्स का भी साले ने देखा अभी लोग
ले बा खाना है तो खा ले क्या आ जाए 20,000 उतना ही 30 रुपया इतना इतना बड़ा बड़ा खर्च किए अभी ये क्या
We relaxed for a while and then walked to have dinner. What we didn't realize when booking the hotel was that it is situated next to a highway. The place wears a deserted look even though there were shops and homes as we walked.
Yeah, he cook good.
Okay.
But cheap, very cheap.
Okay.
We entered couple of hotels and people gave us strange looks and we exited from them as there were no suitable food that we could eat. as two of my friends are vegetarian and I eat halal only.
What an area, man. कहाँ जाके रुके हमने?
In the end, we did find a good restaurant which has a humble manager. He treated us as to how we were guests at his house and served us with complimentary green tea and ginger fused digestives after our meal. Our mood was lifted, but we had to walk the same path back.
और ही करेगा ना तब गैस ज़्यादा होता है तो गुड द बैड द अगली
इसके अंदर बुला और कहाँ अंदर वो गेट के अंदर है
गेट बंद कर दिया उसने
नहीं भाव.
हमको सिक्किम में भी मिला था ना फुटबॉल.
We came across a football ground on the way and stopped to check the locals play. Our mood went to a greater joy after this, and we headed back to our stay and watched few minutes of the film The Good, the Bad and the Ugly, as we have to catch the flight next morning.
क्या भाई इसका ऐसा कौन किया भाई इसको देख कैनन इसको सब मार रहा है.
मैं सो जाऊंगा बीच में पक्का.
टेकिंग फोकस. एंजॉय अभी तेरा चैन. कर बा डिश क्या कर.
इतना तेजी से चला रहा है बारिश पड़ने से भी.
थैंक यू.
होगा एक मिनट.
फिर वो लोग लेके